This is Erick's 2021 Nissan GT-R with only 2,400 miles on the clock, and today we're setting it up with our Stage-2 flex fuel package, which is essentially what you call a full bolt-on or FBO. So real quick, let's run through the package contents. First, our downpipe solution of choice for this vehicle is from AAM Competition. Great fit, finish, and performance, but the main reason these are our go-to downpipes for the R35 GT-R is that they're currently the only ones offered with EPA-compliant GESi catalytic converters. And what's even cooler is that these UHO cores support up to 850 horsepower each. So what that means is that your GT-R can have EPA-compliant catalytic converters and also be able to lay down some deep 8-second passes. To us, that's pretty rad. For intakes, we've selected Boost Logic's 3-inch air intake system. These intakes are our go-to solution for GT-Rs with both stock and mildly upgraded turbochargers. And while Erick selected the wrinkle black powder-coated tubing, you can also spring for the titanium option if you want to shave some extra weight and add some beautiful titanium to your underhood aesthetic. And for improved boost control during calibration, we include Boost Logic's 3-port electronic boost control solenoid. And also, since we're in the hot and muggy southeastern United States, upgraded charge air cooling is essential for consistent power delivery even at this stage. For this build, Erick opted for the Extreme Turbo System Street Intercooler. We absolutely love this core due to its true drop-in fitment, which requires no trimming at all and retains the factory hot side flange for super clean installation. Our build philosophy is to change as little as possible without compromising results, so we super appreciate this design. To address fueling needs, our fuel injector of choice is the Injector Dynamics ID1300x, which not only supports our target power, but also enables stock-like drivability even on pump gas. And for this stage, dual AEM Performance 340 liter per hour intake fuel pumps are absolutely fantastic. True drop-in fitment with no trimming required and ethanol compatible. And of course, Visconti Tuning's flex fuel conversion brings it all together and makes running any variation of ethanol easy. And to keep the engine from ingesting performance-inhibiting oil vapor, we also include the T1 Race Development Aero Separator. Unlike a catch can, this Aero Separator returns the captured oil back to the engine for a true maintenance-free operation. And as with all T1 products, it's as beautiful as it is functional. And with that all said, let's follow along over Dylan's shoulder in the shop during the installation process. Up first, he starts off by installing the ETS intercooler core. Here's that perfect fitment we're talking about. Now, if you're curious about intercooler piping, we simply don't recommend upgrading at this stage unless you're laying groundwork for bigger power down the road or just like the aesthetic. Now, options are available, but stock intercooler piping is perfectly sufficient at this stage. Next, he moves on to installing the AAM Competition downpipes equipped with the EPA-compliant GESi catalytic converters. And as you can see, we already set Erick's GT-R up with an Armytrix exhaust system. Not much performance gain at this stage, but damn, does it sound good. With the downpipes in place, Dylan fits the T1 race development Aero Oil Separator and then moves on to the fuel system. Up first, the ID1300x fuel injectors go in. Followed up by the Visconti tuning flex fuel conversion. And now the intake manifold's ready to go back on. Absolutely love these Takumi build plates. Now the boost logic intakes are ready for installation. And that engine bay is already looking super clean. And while we're at it, we give her a fresh oil change with an OEM Nissan filter and Motul 300V trophy engine oil. Next, Dylan gets the dual AEM 340 liter per hour fuel pumps fitted and ready to chug some corn. And with the mechanical work all wrapped, Vlad gets the flex fuel calibration file ready. See what we mean? Absolutely killer exhaust note. After a quick quality assurance check over, she's ready to hit the rollers. All right, these results land right where we want to see them. Now, 2017 and newer GT-Rs normally baseline around 500 wheel horsepower on our dynos, so by that measure, we're up about 120 to 130 horsepower here. Now, while there's definitely more jam left in the jar here, 650 pound-feet of torque is the safe limit for both the VR38 DETT stock bottom end and the GR6 transmission. So we normally set a target of 630 pound-feet of torque for the sake of reliability in all conditions. The result is a daily drivable, low 10-second street car that is absolutely gobs of fun. And guys, if you liked what you saw here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And as always, if you have any questions at all, we're happy to chat. Thanks for watching.